basically I've taught myself more Arabic in a couple of weeks than I did over there in a couple of years, because I can create something I care about, like golf or boating or whatever, and I can basically create my own environment, like who's going, where's the instructor,
Nice.
what did you do with the golf ball? Did it go in the sand? Is that bad water for the boat? Where are the rocks? You know,
Nice.
you're gonna drown, blah blah blah. And
Nice.
and I'm basically the conductor of my own orchestra now.
No, very good.
So not okay. I was telling her I wanted to learn this hour I did like as a kid in Arabic school.
Right.
So,
Right.
thank you.
You're welcome. Off one. Off one.
Yeah, it was really good. I truly loved it. Amazing. Just as I went back to that moment when I had my first Italian class with you, that this class was just the same, just like that one. I had
Nice.
the same feeling like that.
Nice.
So yeah, you know why? Because the most important thing about your classes is that you give that feeling that you don't need to study. You just you can just count on being with me and this during this hour, and you're gonna remember everything when you finish, even if you don't rehearse, even if you don't come back to that sheet, you're
Hmm.
gonna maybe just a quick review next class would be enough.
Hmm.
For me, that would be enough. Just a quick review next class
Right.
would be enough.
Why tell them right away? It's like you're watching a movie and it's like, oh, what's gonna happen? This is what happens. Like, I don't tell me what happens. Like make me
Okay.
wonder what happens. So Ismak A,
This is
Ismi Tony.
gold, Tony.
Hmm?
What?
This is gold.
Yeah.
Good. I'm glad. Thank you. Okay, you joking or I can't tell.
No, I'm serious. This is
Okay,
this is
thanks.
good.
But that is, yeah.
I mean, you,
that
you
is,
did say that the best teacher is a question, and
Yeah,
here you
yeah.
are,
yeah.
demonstrating it.
When I first joined this group, my intent was never to teach. Like I didn't have any desire to teach. But now that I see the way that you're doing it, like I am so excited to do this. Because this is really just like getting people to carry on a conversation. I'm not sitting down there drilling them through all the different verb tenses and blah blah blah,
Mhm.
right? Like
Exactly.
this is I can't wait to do this actually. Yeah.
That's the
Thank
joy
you.
of teaching.
Yeah.
Thank you for that.